like a mini sticker shop. This is the first design. Upload them into the Cricut design space. We're facing a little issue. Hi, welcome back to another small business vlog. I am doing a shop update tomorrow, which is my second shop update. I did my launch in May for my sticker shop, which is phamilystudios.com. And tomorrow I am doing a second shop update where I'm gonna release 8 die cut stickers. Before I can do my shop update, I need to prep all my products, and I currently have 0 out of the 8. I have 0 products made. I do have 6 designs finished and 2 designs I still have to finish. So today is actually gonna be a busy day because tomorrow we're releasing the shop update. So first things first, I need to make some stickers. I want to test the size of the stickers. So I'm gonna put all the designs that I have right now on one sheet. Let me show you the designs that I have right now. This is the first design, super cute. She's just under her little blanket with her iPad, doing her little thing. I have another design that's not finished yet because I'm not satisfied with the way it looks yet. So this one I still need to finish today. This is another finished design. This is a very simple heart-shaped design that I think is going to be very cute for on your laptop or on your notebooks. Of course, I had to do a duo die cut sticker as well with the 2 characters that I have right now under a big ass umbrella. And I've also been wanting to make like a hydration sticker, like a stay hydrated kind of sticker. So this is what I came up with for now. Those are all the designs that I have finished right now. So we're gonna try and test print them and see how that works out for us. So first I need to send all the designs to my laptop so I can upload them into the Cricut design space. I did test print this die cut sticker already, which will be in one of the next videos where I show you how I make die cut stickers at home. I also have my matcha, of course, so I can have a very productive day with a lot of energy. We're facing a little issue. My Cricut design space all of a sudden doesn't want to find my machine, which is so weird because I literally used it last week. So it's not like I haven't used it in a while, and I used it last week with the Cricut design space. So I'm a little bit confused why it's not working today, which is a very important day because I need to make my stickers. Like, why is this happening right now? Very stressed. What's happening? Okay, I'm going to figure this out and then I'll be back. My Cricut finally connected and I was able to make my die cut stickers. I now also know which settings I need to use to make these die cut stickers, because I did make a video where I show you guys how I make die cut stickers, but I did fail during that video. But now I know I need to do 2 times printable sticker paper white, gray liner printing with more pressure. So I made 6 die cut stickers and they turned out so cute. And I now know which size I want. So for this one, this is the Stay Hydrated one. This is the little Betty that's brushing her teeth. And then the heart sticker, those are the perfect size already. But I have this one, I have this one, this one, and this one. And I think those 3 are a little bit too big in size. Like it takes away from the artwork that it's too big and not as cozy. So I'm gonna make these ones a little bit smaller, but now that I know that these are the sizes and also the right cut and the right material, I can start making my stock for these die cut stickers. And then tomorrow I'm gonna make the pictures, because right now we already lost a lot of daylight and it's 3:30 already. So I am just gonna focus on making every product and making sure that I have everything ready. And then tomorrow morning I will wake up early, shoot my marketing photos, my website photos, and change my website. But tonight we need to have all our products, all our stock. And I'm actually not making a lot of stock, so I'm like a mini sticker shop. Like I don't have a lot of buyers at all. It's not popular because I'm not that good in marketing, I realized, with my sticker shop. So I don't know how to attract people, but I do always have my supporters, which I love so much. And for those, I will make the stock, which means that I don't have to make that much. I think I will do 2 sticker sheets per design, which means that I will probably have around 15 to 20 of each sticker. And I think that's already a little bit too much. It will probably not sell out, but I am gonna make sure that I have enough stock. So if anyone is ordering them, that I can at least send them right away and they don't have to make them. So we're doing 2 sheets per design. So for this design, I can fit 12 on 1 page, which is perfect. That is, I think, a good amount of die cut stickers on 1 sheet. I'm gonna try and make this now. I finished the first batch and it didn't go as planned because I was stubborn and I tried to do a different cutting setting than the one I've been using, because I thought maybe I can do it with 1 cut only instead of 2 cuts. But that caused the paper to not fully go off. So there's like some mishaps, I'm not sure if you can tell, where more of the sticker paper is still stuck on it. I do have a few that did go well, so I can at least keep those in rotation. I noticed that the hardest part about making these stickers is definitely laminating the stickers, because there's so much that can go wrong with laminating. You can get dust underneath it, it can like get air bubbles, and even when you're trying to smooth it out with this device can even damage the lamination. I'm struggling with that a little bit. I only have the first design cut now and I still need 5 more, and then I need to finish 2 more designs before I can even start making them. And I need to do that all today. So why do I always decide to give myself such a tight deadline? Like, I should have made this all first and then gave myself a date for the shop update instead of setting a shop update when I have nothing ready yet. But I guess that's just life as a small business. I did only 1 cut on this sheet now, and I know that that didn't go fully through to the back, so I need to do 1 more. And if you're seeing this and you're interested in buying my cute stickers, I will put a link down below for you so you can easily reach my website. I had to pay my yearly subscription for using Shopify, which is where I have my website on, and I haven't had a release since May. So I now paid for a website quite a lot and I'm not even earning money with it. So I need to get on my grind and at least earn back my investment somehow. And also, as I said many times before, my sticker shop is definitely something that I'm more passionate about compared to all the other hobbies that I had before, which I quit quite fast. So it's also already like a big deal to me that I'm actually doing a second shop update, and I just need to keep on going. I do want to do another shop update within the next quarter and just have quarterly updates, like new products every quarter. Because I think if I don't do that, then what's the point in me promoting that I'm a sticker shop owner when I'm literally not releasing anything? I need to really get on my small business owner grind. I've been slacking, guys. I've been slacking. I checked the first batch that I made. So this is the amount that I can still sell. And I think I have about 3 or 4, what is it? 3 out of 12 designs didn't make the cut. So I have 9 now. Let's look at the second batch. I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but I have my Muji drawers now where I keep my stock in. So I can put the ones that are good to go in here. So here we have the second batch now. Let me check. Okay, so the lines are definitely a lot more crisp and clear. I can tell it's super smooth. So this is the way to go for my die cut stickers. I will do the premium matte sticker paper with the laminating sheets, the Avery expensive laminating sheets. And then I do 2 times the cutting, and then it's perfect. And this is the real test where you take this sheet off and you can tell that everything is cut perfectly, because with the first batch there was still some sticker paper stuck in between, which means that it didn't cut through fully. So this is what you want your cutting to be like. Amazing! This means that I have a batch of 12 here that I can sell, which with the 9 other ones I have 21 now, which is perfect because I was aiming for 20. And I also need to have a few stickers to do promotion and to paste in like my journal and stuff. So I have 3 of these. These are very usable, like they are good, but like there's like some mishaps on the back that I cannot sell to a customer. So I have 3 to use for marketing material, and then I have 21 to sell on the website. I do hope that I can make 20 sales out of this shop update, but you never know, you never know. I found 1 out of the 12 that has a dust particle in it, which is such a waste because then I cannot sell it either. So from 21 we go to 20 now, and I still have a few to check. It's very important to check these carefully because you don't want to sell a sticker that has dust particles in it, because that basically means it's not a good sticker. This is all the stock that I have right now for my sticker shop. A few of the old designs and a few of the new designs. And something that I'm also not too sure about yet is whether I'm gonna restock some old designs. But I'm gonna focus on my new designs first.